A warm welcome to you again to this channel. This is Damson Media channel. If this is your first time of logging on to this channel, you are welcome, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the next person, the first person to receive the notification of our new informative and educative video, just like the one you have been seeing and the one you are about to see. Now today, again, we'll be looking at, now after we created our YouTube channel. Now when we create our YouTube channel are majorly for videos, as that is vlogging. Now after creating the YouTube channel, you must know how, the next thing is to know how to upload your videos to the channel. Now this time around we'll be looking at how to upload our videos to our YouTube channels. Now, going back to YouTube app, it is easier to use YouTube app. If you want to use other browser, you can use, but it is easier to use YouTube app. Now, when you get to YouTube app, it's displaying the normal home page of the YouTube. Now, from there, you see down below here, you see the Explore, the subscription, the inbox, and library. The Explore is just to explore everything about YouTube, all the different things. You can see up here you have trending, music, gaming, news. Then you see trending videos that are in trending, the football match within Manchester, Chelsea, and all those things. Now the next one is subscription. And what is subscription? This is where you will see the people you have subscribed to, those that you have subscribed to. Maybe you have subscribed to up to 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, and so on and so forth channels. This is where it will be listed. And inbox is where you see notification of people, the number people that subscribe to your channel, people that like your video, people's comments, and so on and so forth. Even when people upload pictures, people that you subscribe to, you have subscribed to their channel, upload picture. From here you'll be able to see their picture, and from library you can see a lot of things there. But library is majorly for video that you have watched, maybe downloaded video that you downloaded to watch later, so the playlist you have created and so on, the live video you liked. So all those things are listed here. Your videos can also be there, and so you can see history, downloads, 20 recommendation, your videos, watch later, that is the video you want to save to watch later. Then new playlist, that is maybe you want to add playlists, your videos, you want to set them in playlist, maybe introduction, gaming, and whatever playlist you want to create for them, then videos that you have liked and so on. Now for the purpose of today's video, we'll be looking at how to upload videos to our channel. Now from there, let's go back to our channel by clicking on the icon of your icon, your account icon. Then when you get to your account, you can see YouTube channel, YouTube studio, and all those things. Now you just click on your channel. You might not even click on it. So now the first thing here, you can see before it does not bring this. When immediately we created it, it just said this video doesn't have any content. This channel doesn't have any content. Now it has bring, this is settings, this is create video. Now this is create video here, and this is another one here that you can use here. So now if this one is not here, this one will be here, and this is settings. So these three things are actually important, and this is another thing. Now if you here, we will be talking about how to copy or link your channel link, your video link, and so on and so forth. So I'll be uploading just one video now to show us all those things. Now having done this, let us upload a video. Now you click on create video. This one is not pressing, you press it up here, create video. It will take you to this place. You have record, go live. If you want to record, you record. If you want to go live, you go live. Now here it will bring everything on your internal device, every video on your internal device, on your smartphone. Now for the purpose of this thing, let me just upload this. So when you click on the video, it uploads. You open another interface where you input the title of the video and description of the video. You can see, yeah, this is the video. You can see down here, you see title. So for the purpose of this training, say how to upload video to YouTube. So having done that, now the description. The description will not be step. So your description will be based on what the main content of your video. Now you can describe the whole video there. Your description can carry links to your website, to your landing page, to your whatsoever pages that you want to do, to your social media channels. So you can inside this here in the description, you can include links to your external sites, that is your YouTube, your social media channel, maybe your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter accounts, even to WhatsApp, and even to your website, and to your, maybe you have an online store and all those things. So here after the description, you just include all those links. So the description here can be anything. So I'll just put anything. So having done this, you leave this on to public and so on and so forth. And having done this, then you just hit the upload link or button up here. So having done that, you see the video is uploading. Uploading, it will upload. It will upload. So processing. So during the uploading, it will let it upload, process. It will process and do all those things. After uploading, you can go further. Let the video upload 100% processed. That means it has uploaded successfully. Yes, that means we have uploaded our first video to our newly created channel. So that is the first thing. Now you have created it. Now we'll be looking at how to get the link. How to get the link of this video. Now to get the link of this video, you have three dotted lines here. So you click on the three dotted line. So you can see save to watch later. As you want to save it to watch it later, save to playlist. Now means if you have created a playlist that you want these types of videos to be, then you have delete. If you want to delete it, then you have edit. If you want to edit it, the editing it will take you back to where you can edit the title, the edit description, the visibility, the publicity, and all those things. Yeah, that's what the edit is all about. Then the share. Yes, that is how you can publicize it. You can publicize your link. You can either click on the copy the link or send to people through messages. Send it to people through messengers, through Bluetooth, Telegram, and Google, whatever app or whatever accounts or app that you want to share it through. But the best thing is to copy the link, then you have it saved directly. Then, just like that, you add it to that is how to share. So you just copy the link. So when you copy the link has been copied. That is that about that. So now, having copied the link, just go to your social media and whatever you want to post it. So even you can go and embed the link into your blog or your site. Now let's check what is here under the settings, channel settings. Now you can see under the channel settings, you have the name of the channel. If you want to edit it, you click on the pencil. Now the description of the channel, your channel must have description. All this description of the channel, description of the video will make it's just as if you are working on SEO of your website. Now this will make you your channel to be listed frequently by YouTube. Maybe people, when you have a description that somebody is looking for, maybe somebody is looking for how to make YouTube channel, and you have in your description that is my channel is for making YouTube news. So YouTube will know that this thing is related to what this person is searching for. So YouTube will listed, or even Google search engine will listed your YouTube channel along with all those YouTube channels they will list. Now that is to add the description. You just click here and do that. Now you have privacy. You can see keep all my subscription private. Keep all my subscription private. Keep all my saved playlists private. Now this means that if you turn it on, all your subscriptions, that is everybody that you subscribe to, will be private. None of your viewers will be able to see them. Even the same thing also happened to keep all my saved playlists private. That is, you don't want them to see it. So that is about that. That is what this is all about. Now, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Endeavor to subscribe to our channel. As you subscribe, hit the notification bell and be the next person, the first person to receive our next informative video like this. Now, if this video is informative and is educative enough, please share it with your friends and family. Somebody out there might need it. Share it, and God bless.